Oh, my God.
Okay, so you're a homeowner and your AC system is out. This episode is going to help you understand, give you situational awareness, whether or not your system's repairable. You know, is your system repairable? Because there's going to be a bunch of people that try to sell you on the fact that it's not, and they want you to replace your system. Okay, so to be clear, if your system is 12 years, 10 years, or less, it is 100% repairable. Okay, so don't be convinced that it cannot be repaired. Number one. So number two, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about some of the normal conditions, common failures, so you can relate to your situation and understand that it's maybe not as bad as you think. Okay. So, Buck, let me ask you a question. Let's go over some of the common failures that cause these systems to not. So the homeowner's uncomfortable. The system's not working for some reason. Let's go through a few of the things that give them the most common failures and simple repairs.
Okay. So the most common failure, bar none, is going to be a capacitor. That's on the outdoor unit, smaller than a soda can, but it's required to get that unit up and going. The unit takes a lot of power to start up. If that capacitor fails, it's not going to start. The homeowner's just going to know because it's not cool in the house anymore.
Okay, so the outside system, when your system's, you may hear the motor running up in the house.
Inside, it's
you go outside,
sound like it's running,
and it's dead. The fan's not running.
The fan may run, but your compressor's definitely not running. Sometimes the capacitor fails completely and nothing runs.
But the thing outside is it's just
not pumping.
Yeah,
not doing what it needs to do.
So the thing outside, the unit outside, the Freon goes out there to get cooled off so that it can go back and continue cooling. So when that thing's not running, system's not going to work, right?
That's right.
And it's like he said, it's just basically something the size of a Coke can, right? So it's a very simple repair. Another issue that is causing premature failure is the power grid.
That's right.
It's like what you guys call dirty power, right?
That's right. And it seems to be more and more common. And I know everybody that's out there has seen this issue with the recent storms that we've had, but there are compressor failures, there are motor failures. These all have the compressors don't have sensitive electronics, but definitely the circuit boards that drive these things tell them what to do. Same things with the blower motors. The furnaces, they also have circuit boards. They're all sensitive electronics, just like in a computer. And so when you get dirty power, it causes failures.
What's the remedy for that problem? I mean, obviously, if that's what caused the issue, you can repair the issue, but can you prevent that from occurring again?
Absolutely. There's surge protectors out on the market now that you can put literally on the equipment to protect that device from whatever's going on with the power outside. It'll protect that piece of equipment, and they're not going to have to worry about it. They'll have the peace of mind.
All of these things are extremely repairable and mostly at an affordable rate, okay? So if anybody tells you that your system is done and it's not like 15 or 20 years old, tell them to be on their merry way and call Lone Star Air Systems because it is absolutely repairable.
Absolutely. Everything's repairable. It just gets to a point on an age system, does it make sense anymore?
Yeah, I think they probably need to be looking at upgrading or replacing with newer equipment at the 10, 12-year mark is probably a good benchmark.
That's right.
All right, so hopefully this helped educate you and bring you situational awareness. We have other podcasts that are focused on maybe you're going to replace your equipment. Maybe you have a game room or you have a movie room that's not getting enough cooling, and we're going to be talking about mini splits as a supplemental AC unit. We're going to be talking about indoor air quality. So each of the situations that impact you, we have a podcast specifically focused on that to help you understand how to make the best decisions. So this is Lone Star Air Systems. You can find them online at lonestarAirsystems.com.